Good morning guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Tamara. If you've forgotten about me because it's been a hot minute, welcome back. I'm sorry, I know it's been a while. It's taken me some time to get back into the swing of things since the holidays. Hopefully some of you can relate, otherwise. But we're back, we're better than ever, we're back to our regular scheduling, and I have a lot of really exciting things planned for 2020 on this channel and in life in general. I have a lot of really exciting trips coming up very soon. So if you want to see all that content, if you want to support, please click that subscribe button, and don't forget to click that like button. It means a whole lot to me. I would really appreciate it. But without further ado, let's get into today's video. I'm going to show you guys 3 different ways that you can make oatmeal. I tried to get 3 different oatmeal combinations that are completely different flavors so that there's something for everyone. My favorite is the first one. But if you guys try any of them, or if you have your own oatmeal combination that you're obsessed with, let me know in the comments. I'd love to try it because it's my favorite breakfast. The first combination that I put together is my favorite. I honestly have this most mornings, and it is these frozen berries with a bit of nut butter, and it has carbohydrates, bunch of fiber, fats, and protein, so it's pretty much a perfect meal to start your day off with. Use frozen berries, not fresh ones, for this because when you put it in the microwave and they melt, your whole oatmeal will taste like berries. It'll be so good. The second combination that I have put together for you guys is very chocolatey. So if you are a chocolate lover, you can try this one out. And it is full of protein, again has some fats in there as well, and of course carbohydrates from your oatmeal. It doesn't matter what protein powder you use, you can use any. I just use the one that I have. It's Tropica. It's so good and it's vegan, but any chocolate protein powder works. If you don't have chocolate flavored protein powder, just use any plain or vanilla flavored protein powder, and then you can add the cacao and it'll taste just as good. Finally, my last combination for oatmeal, I tried to steer away from sweet flavors because the other 2 combinations are quite sweet. So this one is more nuts and seeds. It's still equally delicious, but if you're not really feeling like having something overly sweet like fruits or chocolate, try this one. Alright guys, that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. As always, I appreciate every single one of you. If you're not already subscribed, please don't forget to click that subscribe button if you're excited to see all the content I have planned for this new year. And if you did enjoy this video, please leave a like, and I will see you next week. Bye!